All right, number 2. This one wants us to make a stem and leaf display for the data. All right, so you're going to be given some numbers. Let's just make up examples. So let's just say 13, 25, 25, 32. All right, so if I wanted to shorthand list this information, like when you have a lot of data, it wouldn't be bad to list 4 numbers, but this is how stem and leaf work. The first digit, or whatever number of digits you want to put out front, will be the stem, so the tens place. So if I'm making a stem and leaf, I have the stem here and the leaves here. Okay, so like all the leaves come off of the stem. The first digit, the tens place, I will put here. The first digit, the 20, and the first digit being a 30. That will be the first number, the stem. The leaves are the numbers that follow. So this will be a 3 on this side. And then since I have 2 5s, I will write 5, comma 5. However many ones digit show up, you repeat them as often as needed. And then 32, I'll put a 2 here. And then most importantly, you would need a key. So we would write this. 1 with a line and a 3. We need to let you know that that equals 13. Okay, so we're just taking this. This is the first digit, tens place, and the ones place. That's the key. Okay, so you need something like that to let people know what's going on. What we're going to do with the data we have here, we're going to make a stem and leaf. So you can put the numbers in order, but you do not have to. All you need to do is make sure you follow this process. So here's the data. It looks like we have, in the teens, the 20s, the 30s. We also have single-digit numbers, and that's it. Okay, so when I do this stem and leaf, I wish I could move this all the way over. I guess I don't need that page. I'm going to make this big. All right, so I'm going to do the first digit. So when we have single digits, the tens place is a 0. There's nothing out front. And now I'm going to list all the single digit numbers. So I'm going to do the same thing, just going across the row and finding out which ones. So the first number that I see is a 9. The first single digit is this one here. That's the only one in this first row. Go to the second row. The next single digit I see is a 7. So I'm going to do comma 7. All right, then I go to the last row. There's another single digit of a 7, so comma 7. So that's all my single digits. All right. The next row, I'm going to do the tens place. So I'm going to put a 1 as my stem, and then all my leaves are the numbers that follow behind 1. So that will be 9, and then 1, and then a 5 from 15, and then a 7, then another 1, 7, 1. All right, and then another 7, another 5, 6, another 6, another 7, and then a 3, 5, and another 5. So that's all of the ones, the teens, or the tens place. Now we're going to do the 20s. So the first digit is a 2, and then all the stems over here, or the leaves. First one is a 1, 2, 6, 6, another 6, 5, 6, 3, 0, 24, 2, and then a 5. All right, then the last one is going to be the 30 places. 30. So 30s. There's a 1. 31. And then 37. And that's it. Okay. So this is my stem and leaf chart. First digit is a stem, the ones place is the leaves, and this is a shorthand how to type all this data. So you know that this is 9 and 7s, 2 7s. This will be 19, 11, 15. So this 1 repeats with all those digits. 2 repeats with all these digits. 3 repeats with all those.